Hey babe,
Hey,
you
how's it
won't
going?
believe what just happened. The
What?
biggest accident I've ever seen in my whole entire life. 15 cop cars, 20 ambulance cars. I've never seen anything like it in my whole entire life.
Babe, you know what's funny? That you always over-exaggerate with any possible scenario there is out there. 15 cop cars?
Yes.
50 ambulances? The worst accident you've ever seen in your entire life? Really?
What are you getting at?
am I
What are you
getting
trying
at?
to say about me?
I don't know. What do you think I'm trying to say about you?
That I'm a what? That
What?
I'm trying to say something about me? That I over-exaggerated?
No, I wouldn't say over-exaggerating. You know, you're not over-exaggerating. I don't know. The correct term for that is, let's see here. Oh yeah, borderline liar.
A borderline liar?
Yeah, that's what you are.
So you actually pay attention to when I talk? You actually listen? You actually listen to when I'm talking?
Yeah, I do. I listen to stuff like, babe, harder, deeper, faster. I listen to that kind of stuff.
yeah.
We could pay attention right now if you want to.
I'm sure you'd love that.
Yeah, I would.
But I'm saying, like, before I even finish my sentence, you're already thinking of an argument before I even finish. Like the other day, I'm telling you about my new Android, and you're already telling me what's wrong with it before I even finish.
Yeah, because, I don't just go with the flow. I have my opinion. I just say what I please to say, all right? I want to, yeah.
Oh, what are you trying to say about me? What am I?
What do you mean, what are you? I'm just trying to say that I go with the flow. That I'm not a people pleaser.
I'm a people pleaser. Oh, okay, now we're getting personal now. I hate the way you crack every single part of your body, your neck, your back, your knuckles. Oh! But most of all, I hate the way you drive.